Pimcore Training, online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master Pimcore and gain expertise in product information management, PIM, master data management, MDM, digital asset management, DAM, customer data platform, CDP, data integration, product experience management, and enterprise data management. Our comprehensive Pimcore training program is designed to help professionals manage product information, digital assets, customer data, and enterprise master data efficiently. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world Pimcore implementation, data management, integration, and digital commerce scenarios. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The digital data challenge is a complex issue that affects many organizations. Siloed systems and disconnected platforms can lead to data inconsistency, errors, and costly manual reconciliation across different departments, HAS. This results in significant overhead costs for product information management, as it requires constant updates and maintenance. Furthermore, poor data structures can have severe consequences on search engine optimization, leading to reduced visibility and lower organic traffic. Manual processes are often used to manage product information, which can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. These processes consume valuable resources and slow down the time to market, ultimately affecting an organization's competitiveness. Moreover, the lack of a unified platform for product information management can lead to duplicated efforts and wasted resources across different teams. In addition, poor data structures can also harm search engine discoverability, resulting in reduced visibility and lower organic traffic. This can have a direct impact on an organization's revenue, making it essential to address this challenge head-on. To overcome these challenges, organizations must adopt a more integrated approach to managing their digital data, leveraging technologies such as master data management and product information management. By doing so, they can reduce manual overhead, improve data consistency, and increase search engine visibility. The core component of Pimcore is the data model. The data model is responsible for storing and managing all types of data within the system. It serves as the foundation for all other components, including the content management system, MSS, product information management, PI, IMT, OS, and order management system, CS. Time, ships, of wise different ships, welcome and presence starting. And fun of those is years are round out of those area. The data model is designed to be highly flexible and scalable, allowing it to adapt to changing business needs. It also provides a standardized way of accessing and manipulating data, making it easier to integrate with external systems. The data model is comprised of several key elements. 1. Data types. These are the basic building blocks of the data model, representing different types of data such as text, images, and files. 1. They provide a common language for describing and organizing data. 2. Fields. Fields represent specific attributes or characteristics of data entities. For example, a product's name, description, and price. They are used to store and manage data in a structured manner. 3. Classes. Classes define the structure and organization of data entities. They determine what information is available about each entity and how it is represented in the system. 4. Attributes. Attributes are additional properties or characteristics of data entities beyond their inherent nature. They provide more context and meaning to the data. 5. Relationships. Relationships describe the connections between different data entities. They allow us to link related data together and create complex relationships between them. 6. Metadata. Metadata provides additional information about the data itself, such as creation dates, modification dates, and authorship. It helps maintain the integrity and consistency of the data. 7. Validation rules. Validation rules ensure that data conforms to certain standards or requirements. 1. How? They help prevent errors and inconsistencies from occurring. 8. Import-export. Import and export functionality allows users to transfer data between different systems or formats. It enables seamless integration with external tools and platforms. 9. Data security. Data security measures protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. All times, They guarantee the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the data. 10. Data backup. Data backup ensures that critical data is preserved in case of system failures or other disruptions. It provides peace of mind and protects against potential losses. 11. Data analytics. Data analytics provides insights into the behavior and performance of the data. It helps organizations make informed decisions based on data-driven results. 12. Data governance. Data governance defines policies and procedures for managing and maintaining the data. It ensures accountability and transparency throughout the entire data lifecycle. 13. Data quality. Data quality refers to the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of the data. It is essential for ensuring reliable decision-making and minimizing errors. 14. Data integration. Data integration involves combining data from multiple sources into a unified view. It enables organizations to leverage diverse data sets and gain a deeper understanding of their customers and markets. 15. Data migration. Data migration involves transferring existing data from one system to another. It requires careful planning and execution to avoid data loss or corruption. 16. Data archiving. Data archiving involves storing historical data for future reference or analysis. It helps organizations learn from past experiences and improve their decision-making processes. 17. Data retention. Data retention refers to the length of time data is stored and maintained. It depends on various factors, including regulatory requirements and organizational policies. 18. Data disposal. Data disposal involves securely erasing or destroying sensitive data. It ensures compliance with relevant laws and regulations. 19. Data recovery. Data recovery involves restoring lost or corrupted data. It is crucial for maintaining data integrity and preventing significant losses. 20. Data preservation. Data preservation involves safeguarding data against physical damage or destruction. We may be HECO-ELS, as an eyes, nam experius, may be seizing. It ensures the long-term availability of critical information. 1 point. Data protection. Data protection involves safeguarding data against unauthorized access or theft, remains. It guarantees the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the data. 22. Data storage. Data storage involves physically holding and maintaining data. It requires secure facilities and equipment to prevent data breaches or loss. 23. Data transmission. Data transmission involves sending data over networks or other communication channels. It requires secure protocols and encryption methods to protect sensitive information. 24. Data verification. Data verification involves checking the accuracy and reliability of the data. It ensures that the data meets the required standards and specifications. 25. Data validation. Data validation involves testing the data against predefined criteria or standards. It helps identify errors or inconsistencies and correct them accordingly. 26. Data visualization. Data visualization involves presenting complex data in a clear and concise manner. It enables users to easily understand and interpret the data. 27. Data workflow. Data workflow involves defining the sequence of operations and tasks involved in processing and analyzing the data. It streamlines the data management process and improves efficiency. 28. Data workflow automation. Data workflow automation involves automating repetitive tasks and processes within the data workflow. It increases productivity and reduces manual errors. 29. Data workflow optimization. Data workflow optimization involves continuously improving and refining the data. Static against dynamic URLs are two different approaches to structuring URLs in your website. Static URLs use fixed values, while dynamic URLs use variables. The choice between static and dynamic URLs depends on your website's structure and content. If you have a simple product catalog, using static URLs might be suitable. However, if you have a complex e-commerce platform with multiple categories and subcategories, dynamic URLs may be more appropriate. In terms of SEO, both static and dynamic URLs can be beneficial. Static URLs provide better crawlability and indexing reliability because they are easier for search engines to understand and follow. Dynamic URLs allow for more flexibility and scalability as they can accommodate changing content and structures. Ultimately, the key to successful SEO is not just about choosing the right type of URL, but also about implementing a well-planned metadata strategy, including meta titles and descriptions, as well as optimizing site architecture and hierarchy. By doing so, you can drive sustained organic traffic growth and maintain a strong online presence. By understanding the importance of visibility and aligning your website's structure and content with it, you can improve your website's visibility in search engine results, pages, SERPs, and increase your chances of getting found by your target audience. Keywords and structure play a crucial role in this process. A well-designed site architecture and hierarchy can help you achieve strategic alignment, which in turn affects how search engines crawl, index, and rank your website. By focusing on these aspects, you can create a solid foundation for your website's SEO efforts and set yourself up for success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. In addition to keyword research and optimization, having a clear metadata strategy is essential. This includes crafting well-written meta titles and descriptions that accurately reflect your content and entice users to click through. By leveraging these strategies, you can significantly enhance your website's visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Furthermore, it's essential to remember that SEO is not a one-time task. It requires ongoing effort and maintenance to ensure continued success. By staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices, you can refine your SEO strategy and adapt to changes in the digital landscape. Ultimately, the goal of SEO is to drive sustainable growth and improvement in your website's visibility and rankings. By prioritizing SEO and implementing effective strategies, you can unlock new opportunities for your business and stay ahead of the competition. By understanding the importance of SEO and taking proactive steps to implement its principles, you can take control of your website's online presence and drive real-world results. By doing so, you can empower your digital future and achieve lasting success. The process of technical SEO involves several steps that need to be taken to optimize a website's performance for search engines. First, it is essential to understand the importance of crawlability, which refers to how easily a website can be crawled by search engines. A well-designed website should have clear and concise URLs, as well as an organized structure that makes it easy for search engines to navigate through the site. Additionally, having a robust XML sitemap helps to ensure that all pages are indexed correctly, reducing the risk of missing content. Another critical area of focus is page speed, which affects not only search engine rankings but also user experience. A slow-loading website can lead to high bounce rates and decreased engagement, ultimately resulting in lower search engine rankings. To address this issue, optimizing images, minifying CSS and JavaScript files, and leveraging browser caching can help improve page load times. Furthermore, technical SEO requires attention to detail when it comes to meta tags, header tags, and other HTML elements. Ensuring that these elements are properly implemented and optimized can significantly impact search engine rankings. For instance, using descriptive and keyword-rich meta titles and descriptions can help search engines understand the content of each web page, while header tags, H1, H6, can provide context and hierarchy to web pages. In addition to these factors, technical SEO also involves ensuring that websites are mobile-friendly and responsive, as this is now a key consideration for many search engines. With the rise of mobile devices, it has become increasingly important for websites to provide a seamless user experience across different devices and screen sizes. This includes implementing responsive design principles, such as flexible grids and media queries, to ensure that websites adapt to various screen sizes and orientations. The content strategy in Pimcore enables businesses to create a cohesive and engaging online presence by providing a structured approach to managing and distributing their content across various channels. The key elements of this strategy include developing high-quality content that resonates with the target audience, optimizing it for better accessibility and search engine optimization, and implementing effective distribution and promotion techniques. By adopting a content strategy, businesses can improve their online visibility, increase their website's authority, and ultimately drive more traffic to their site. SEO pitfalls to avoid. Even well-intentioned content teams can fall into practices that harm rankings. Keyword stuffing involves adding excessive amounts of keywords to a web page, often resulting in poor readability and confusing search engine crawlers. Duplicate content occurs when multiple pages on a website contain identical or very similar content. Empty shell. Pages are pages with little or no content, which can lead to low-quality links and poor user experience, all some one-mind verse. Over-optimization of text and hidden keywords can also trigger penalties from search engines. Pages with thin or no content can dilute domain authority and crawl budget, leading to further penalties. These common pitfalls can be avoided by understanding how search engines work and taking steps to optimize your website for better search engine rankings. The course covers a wide range of topics, including product information management, hierarchical categorization, workflow automation, and live lab exercises. The course focuses on building and managing deep category trees, configuring automation rules, and publishing catalogs. The goal is to master the skills necessary for efficient product information management, automation of workflows, and improvement of overall efficiency. The course aims to streamline processes, reduce errors, and increase productivity. The course also provides hands-on experience with live lab exercises, allowing participants to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios. The course covers various aspects of product information management, including creating and maintaining accurate and consistent product hierarchies, classifying products effectively, and applying automation rules to optimize workflow. By the end of the course, participants will have gained practical skills to implement these strategies in their own organizations, leading to improved time to market, reduced manual enrichment tasks, and enhanced overall performance. Pimcore's implementation can lead to several benefits for organizations. Faster time to market enables businesses to quickly respond to changing market conditions, resulting in increased competitiveness and revenue growth. Automating workflows with Pimcore reduces operating costs by minimizing manual data management. Streamlined processes allow organizations to allocate resources more efficiently. Viable. Data consistency across different systems, including ERP, e-commerce, and marketing channels, improves decision-making and reduces errors. Scalable omni-channel publishing supports enterprise growth while maintaining consistency. Corporate Pimcore Training provides measurable returns on investment through enhanced data governance and efficient publishing.